Welcome to NextWorldCRM360, your all-in-one CRM solution designed to streamline your business operations. In this video, we will guide you through the login process and provide a brief introduction to the various modules available in our CRM. Let's get started. To access your NextWorldCRM360 account, visit www.nextworldcrm360.com. On the top right corner, you will find the Login button. By simply clicking that button, you will be directed to the login page where you can enter your registered email and password to continue the process. Once you've entered your details, click on the Sign In button. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just click on the Forgot Password button. Follow the steps to reset your password and regain access to your account. After signing in, you will be directed to the dashboard, where you can get an overview of your CRM activities. On the left side, you'll find the Modules button. Clicking on it will open a menu displaying all the modules available in NextWorldCRM360. Let's take a quick look at each one. Number 1. Leads module. This is where you store potential clients who might be interested in your services, or potential clients you may see that may be a good fit with your company for a specific service. Your sales team can track and convert these leads into customers. Number 2. Clients module. All your existing customers and their details are managed here for easy follow-ups and relationship building. Number 3. Projects module. A dedicated space to manage projects efficiently with task assignments, progress tracking, and team collaboration. Number 4. Calendar module. Keep track of important dates, meetings, and deadlines all in one place and never miss an event. Easily share your calendar with your team to ensure everyone stays aligned and informed. Number 5. Tasks module. Create, assign, and monitor tasks within your team for smooth workflow management. Includes a recurring task feature to automate repetitive tasks and boost efficiency. Number 6. Digital menu module. Perfect for businesses across a vast array of industries, including food, retail, hospitality, healthcare, and financial services. Easily create and manage a digital menu to enhance customer experience and streamline operations. Number 7. Bill payment module. A secure and convenient way to manage all your business transactions and bill payments under one umbrella, ensuring seamless and efficient financial management. Number 8. Invoicing module. Generate and send invoices seamlessly while keeping track of all financial transactions under one umbrella. Request payments, view all invoices, and easily monitor what's due, paid, or past due to stay on top of your finances. Number 9. Mail marketing module. Reach out to your clients with targeted email campaigns, promotions, and updates. Number 10. SMS marketing module. The most powerful and easy way to stay connected with your customers through personalized SMS marketing campaigns, ensuring effective engagement and communication. Number 11. Chat 360 module. Stay connected with your clients through our real-time chat system. Number 12. Voice 360 module. Handle customer interactions with our integrated voice calling system for a seamless experience. Number 13. Merchant processing module. Effortlessly accept and manage online payments from your customers, supporting all card brands with the best payment processing, ensuring payouts within 24 hours. Number 14. Free checks module. A unique feature that allows businesses to securely issue and manage free checks, enabling clients to order business checks at the lowest price in the industry for convenient in-person vendor payments. Number 15. Snail mail module. Send virtual mail to recipients across the USA with ease. Simply use our platform to send letters or packages digitally, while your recipient will receive a physical copy, all without needing stamps or postage. This was a quick walkthrough of the login process and an overview of our powerful CRM modules. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each module, exploring how they can help optimize your business processes. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials.